I'm going to talk to you about my journey of making almond milk. So I have a lot of good equipment, but you don't have to have a Vitamix. You could use a blender. I have soaked these almonds, which is an eco-friendly package, in water for 8 hours. I take the filtered water from my fridge. Yay, that's a nice fridge. Not everybody has that nice fridge. I have 2 jars ready. That's probably going to make this full blender of almonds, full package of almonds, full blender of water. I'm going to blend for 2 minutes. So let's just turn on the Vitamix and turn the dial to low to start with and press the start button. So you don't want to start too fast because you're just kind of warming up the Vitamix, and then I'm going to turn it up. I'm going to do that for about 2 minutes, 1 minute maybe. And then I'm going to take all that mixture in the blender Vitamix and pour it into a double bagged of mesh filters. This one's quite stiff and very fine. You see, it's going to take out all of the extra almond meal and just create a nice pure liquid. I've got it in a container, but you could put it in a large measuring cup as well. Then once I have that all sitting there for a while, I'm going to lift it up, and let me just show you how to do that, but I got to finish blending. So let's finish blending. In the meantime, you can just listen to this nice noise. I'm going to walk away from the Vitamix and show you these almonds. Now, I have used almonds with peels before, and that's fine because when you filter it, it takes off all the peels. But my stomach is particularly sensitive to the brown covering of the almonds. So we were looking for almonds that didn't have this. Okay, so let's go back to the Vitamix. That's probably enough time. And I'm going to take off the lid, obviously. Get a nice frothy blend. And I'm going to pour it into, I don't know if I can do this with one hand. I'm going to just get this ready to pour in. Nice stiff bag makes it a little easier pouring it in. Oh yes, nice almond milk. Why do I make my own almond milk? It's a little bit of a stretch for me because I'm very busy. But I don't want to keep buying containers of almond milk, plastic, or I don't want to keep throwing containers out. I want to use the highest quality ingredients when I can afford it, and I also want to make sure that I have fresh almond milk. So I know it's really fresh, I know the ingredients are really good, and I am contributing to the planet by not throwing out all these containers. And, you know, it just slows me down a little bit, so that's kind of cool. So the last little thing I'm going to show you is you just pick it up and you can see it's pouring into my container, and I'm going to pour that. I'm going to squeeze the bag as hard as I can towards the end when all of the liquid's out, and I'm not going to worry, I'm just going to dump it back in because I only have one hand, and I'm going to pour it into these 2 jars, and voila, I'll have 2 jars of almond milk when I'm done. Thanks for listening.